TCST-12RS-1-SSF single spindle vertical reciprocating nut tapping machine with single spindle, suitable for tapping hexagon nuts, flange nuts, weld nuts, square nuts, rivet nuts, and so on. Spindle travels 0 to 65 millimeters. Spindle servo motor 2.5 kilowatts with speed 3000 rpm, and feed servo motor 0.4 kilowatt with speed 3000 rpm, or spindle servo motor 2.9 kilowatts with speed 1500 rpm, and feed servo motor 0.75 kilowatt with speed 3000 rpm. Turntable fixture. Tap range from M5 to M12. Productivity of spindle is 20 to 60 PCS per minute. Advantages: can automatically choose and separate defective parts, with screw tap wearing out or breaking warning, with high accuracy. Dimensions: 1,370 mm length, 1,500 mm width, and 1,800 mm height. Weight: 750 kilograms.